In the part 2 of this video, we are going to understand the LCM tricks for the larger number, and you will be able to solve the LCM of the larger numbers within few seconds. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nena and I usually make videos related to Vedic math. On my channel you can see videos related to multiplication, addition and subtraction and LCM. So let's start our today's topic, which is how to find LCM of a bigger numbers. In the previous video we have discussed about that how to find out the LCM by using the trick within few seconds, right? So in that video we have taken some smaller numbers to understand the trick. Now we are going to work on the bigger numbers. Okay, so let's start now. So what was the trick? The trick was that we have to first select our bigger number. Okay, so let me give you a brief once again that what does means by LCM, because we are going to use this technique only to find out the LCM. So LCM is that LCM is lowest common multiple, means the number which is the multiple of all the given numbers, means which can be divisible by all the numbers, the smallest number which is common for all and which can be divisible by all the numbers. Okay, so for that what we do, we take the first number, the bigger number as the we will imagine first of all our bigger number is my LCM. Okay, so now check that if my bigger number is divisible by all the numbers or not. So my bigger number is what? My bigger number is 450. 450 is divisible by 180? No. So 450 is not divisible by 180. Then what we do? We write down the factors of the number. So factors will be what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Right? So first I will multiply 450 by 2, the smallest factor. What I will get? I will get 900. Then we will check that whether 900 is divisible by this number or not. So yes, 900 is divisible by 180. So now I will imagine that my LCM is 900. So 900 is divisible by 180. So next check it out with 216. Is 900 divisible by 216? No. So what we will do, we will write down the factors of 216 this time. So what will be the factor of 216? Factor of 216 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So what I will do, now I will multiply my 900 by 2, which will be equal to 1800. So let us check it out that whether 1800 is divisible by 216. No, it is not divisible. Then try to multiply 900 by 3. So what I will get? I will get 600 because 3 is another factor. Okay, so now check that 2700 is divisible by 216. No, it is not. So now what you can do, you can take the multiple of these factors. 2 into 3 will give you 6, which will be equal to 5400. Okay, so these are the very rare cases in which you have to multiply by with this multiple of the number. Otherwise you will get your answer by multiplying with the simple factors only, right? So now check it out that 5400 is divisible by 216 or not. So yes, it is divisible by 216. So next what you will do, you will check it out with every digit again, so that to verify that your result is fine or not. So 5400 is divisible by 180. Yes. Then 5400 is divisible by 216. Yes. 5400 is divisible by 450. Yes. So the LCM is going to be 5400. Okay, so with the practice you will be able to do these type of questions very fast by using this technique. Okay, moving to next second question. 105 and 210. Generally in your exam you will get such type of numbers that you do not need to go for this multiplication. This multiplication is like that. If the question is having of more marks, then you will find these kind of question. Otherwise by seeing only you will be able to answer the question. Okay, so now To find out the LCM of these two numbers, what you will do, you will take your bigger number, you will imagine that LCM is your bigger number. Okay, so now 210 is divisible by 105. Yes, it is divisible. 210 is divisible by 210. Yes, so our LCM in this case is going to be 2, 1 and 0. Okay, moving to next question. Next question is what? That you have to find out LCM of these numbers. So let us imagine our bigger number is equal to LCM. Okay, so now check it out that if 495 is divisible by 165 or not. Yes, it is divisible. Then check 495 is divisible by 175 or not. No, it is not divisible. So write down the factors of 175. So the factors of 175 will be 5 into 5 into 7. So what I will do, I will take 495 and multiply it by 5. So I will get what? 4, 7 and 5. So I will check it out that 2475 is divisible by 175 or not. No, it is not divisible. Then I will take my next factor. 495 into 7 will give me 3, 4, 6 and 5. So check it out that 3465 is divisible by 175 or not. It is also not divisible. Then what you will do, all of your factors are done. Then you will take some random factors. 7 into 5 is 35. So when you will divide this by 35, you will get that 17325. So 17325 is divisible by 175. So now imagine that this is your LCM. We are just imagining, we are not sure that this is my LCM or not. Okay, so now check it out that 17325 is divisible by next number, that means 385 or not. So yes, it is divisible. So my LCM is going to be 1732 and 5. Okay, obviously it is divisible by 495 because it is a multiple of 495. Okay, so moving to the last question, which is 265, 385 and 495. So let us imagine that my bigger number is my LCM. Okay, so now I have to check that whether it is divisible by 265 or not. No, it is not divisible. So what I will do, I will write down the factors of 260 and 5. So what it will give me? It will give me 5 into 53. So now I will multiply my bigger number or my LCM with each of the factor. So if I am going to multiply this by 5, so what I will get? I will get 2, 4, 7 and 5. So again 2475 is not divisible by 265. So I will take my another factor 495 into 53, which will give me 26235. So 26235, yes, 26235, this time it is divisible by 265. So now let us imagine that this is my LCM. Okay, so if this is my LCM, then if it is divisible by 385, no, it is not. So write down the factors of 385 this time. Factors of 385 will be 5 into 7 into 11. So take every factor one by one and multiply it with each and every factor. So if you are going to multiply it by 5, you will get 131175. So again it is not divisible by 385. So what you will do, you will take your another factor, multiply it by 7 and you will get your value as 18364 and 5. Okay, so this type of multiplication you have to follow in your exam if such kind of questions are coming in your exam. So such kind of questions are like that. If you are having time, so you can do these type of questions also. Okay, so this is 18364 and 5. So if check it out that if it is divisible by 385 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 385. So this is going to be your answer. This is going to be your LCM. Okay. So let's meet in the next video in which we are going to
in which we are going to solve how to find out LCM of the decimal numbers. Suppose a number is given to you 1.05 and 2.01. How to find out LCM of the decimal numbers.
If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to understand about the decimal digit problems for finding the LCM. Till then, take care and bye bye.